Here's some of the stories trending this week at NASA. Two long-running NASA missions are providing new details about ocean-bearing moons of Jupiter and Saturn, further heightening scientific interest in these and other ocean worlds in our solar system and beyond. The details, discussed during an April 13th NASA science briefing, include the announcement by the Cassini mission that a key ingredient for life has been found in the ocean on Saturn's moon Enceladus. Meanwhile, researchers using the Hubble Space Telescope observed a probable plume erupting from the surface of Jupiter's moon Europa, at the same location where Hubble saw evidence of a plume in 2014. Researchers say this could be circumstantial evidence of water erupting from the moon's interior. Hubble's monitoring of plume activity on Europa and Cassini's long-term investigation of Enceladus are laying the groundwork for NASA's Europa Clipper mission, which is being planned for launch in the 2020s. On April 10th, the International Space Station's Expedition 50 crew, including NASA's Shane Kimbrough, returned safely to Earth hours after leaving the station. Kimbrough and crewmates Sergei Ryzhikov and Andrei Borisenko of the Russian space agency Roscosmos landed in Kazakhstan, wrapping up a 173-day mission. Expedition 51 Commander Peggy Whitson of NASA remains on the station, along with her crewmates Oleg Novitsky of Roscosmos and Thomas Pesquet of ESA. Meanwhile, Expedition 51-52, the next crew headed to the station, is conducting final pre-launch activities at the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. NASA's Jack Fisher and Soyuz commander Fyodor Yurchikhin of Roscosmos will launch from Baikonur April 20th for a 4.5-month mission on the space station. The backup crew, NASA's Randy Bresnik and Sergei Ryazanskiy of Roscosmos, also are participating in the pre-launch activities. NASA announced the preliminary winners of its 2017 student launch event. Overall winners will be announced in mid-May after final calculations have been reviewed for accuracy. The event took place April 8th in Toney, Alabama, near NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center. Students demonstrated advanced aerospace and engineering skills by launching their rockets to an altitude of 1 mile, deploying an automated parachute system, and landing the rockets safely for reuse. The event aligns with NASA's major education goal of encouraging students to pursue degrees and careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. On April 11th, a groundbreaking took place at NASA's Langley Research Center in Hampton, Virginia, for Langley's new Measurement Systems Laboratory. State and local officials and community leaders attended the event, including Virginia Governor Terry McAuliffe, U.S. Senator Mark Warner, U.S. Representative Bobby Scott, and Hampton Mayor Donnie Tuck. The 175,000 square foot lab will be a world-class facility for research and development of new measurement concepts, technologies, and systems that will enable NASA to achieve its mission in space exploration, science, and aeronautics. On April 11th, space fans showed up at the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum in Washington for one of the many Yuri's Night celebrations around the world. The events are held each year on or around April 12th. On April 12, 1961, Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel to space. On April 12, 1981, NASA astronauts John Young and Bob Crippen launched aboard Space Shuttle Columbia on STS-1. The 2-day mission was the first in the shuttle program's 30-year history. And that's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on social media and visit www.nasa.gov/twan.